All right. Hello, friends. Welcome to My Career Doctor. Today is first day, first batch here in Darbhanga, Bihar. And in this first batch, almost, I guess, how many students would be there? Around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Almost 27 students are here today, first day. So what I'm gonna do is, because this is first day, camera facing come public speaking activity. In this, what I'm gonna do is, I'll ask them one by one to give their introduction. This is gonna be a great activity. They will remove their hesitation. The first day, starting from first day that we promote always here at My Career Doctor. I hope everything will be all right, and this is gonna rock today. Are you ready? Yes, can you please speak loudly? Yes, all right. If you see face to face each other and one another, that will also help you to remove your hesitation, guys. Are we ready? Yes. Please come here, brother Fidaul, and give your introduction. Right.
Hello friends and sir, good morning to all of you. My name is MD Fidaul Mustafa. I have completed my graduation in mathematics from LNMU. My father's name is Naseem Ahmad. He is expired before 5 years. I have 5 brothers and 2 sisters. Before lockdown, I live at Delhi, but in this time I live in Darbhanga. I want to learn web development, which is related to computer, and I want to learn English for job purpose. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Fidaul. It was really very nice and great. He was trying to speak in public, and I hope you remove your hesitation. Is it so? Are you removing your hesitation?
Slowly.
How do you feel now?
Better.
You feel better?
Yes, sir.
Guys, as first day, first class, may only we have introduction. I'll ask everybody to please come and give their introduction. Right? Mr. Mohan, please come here and give your introduction to the students. I hope this is gonna great.
Good morning, all of you, all my elders, brother, and respected teacher. My name is Dinkar Kumar. My father's name is Mr. Umesh Kumar. My mother's name is Mrs. Sarita Devi. And I study in standard 11th with science stream. And I'm basically from Samastipur, but study in Darbhanga. Woodbine Modern School at the present time study now. My hobby is playing football and tennis.
Okay. So Devendra, can you please tell me why do you want to learn English?
Okay, sir. Basically, from in this time, English learn ki not English learn in this present time, not success of your life, because ki any place and any city and any places go there, and necessity for English spoken, and then any job sectors and private sector now.
This is why you want to learn English.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, Devendra. I would like to take this mic, and it was really very nice. Thank you very much, Devendra. It happens. God bless you. God bless you. It happens. First day we all have hesitation. तो प्लीज घबराइएगा मत इस बात को लेके और गिल्टी फील मत कीजिएगा कि हाउ बैड आई वॉज, मैं बोल भी नहीं पाया माइक के पीछे. समझ गए ना? तो प्लीज़ इस बात के लिए गिल्टी फील मत कीजिएगा। और वीडियो को मैं शॉर्ट रखने के लिए आप लोगों को टाइम कम दूंगा, बिकॉज इफ़ इट इज़ लॉन्ग तो फिर ये अपलोड होने में टाइम लग जाता है, राइट? कम हियर प्लीज़, गिव इंट्रोडक्शन। इट्स ओके, कम, गिव इंट्रोडक्शन।
Good morning, everyone. I am Ravi Ranjan Joshi. My father's name is Devnarayan Mandal. My father is a worker. I am found chance to first day my career doctor in institute. I learn English and my favorite language. Thank you.
Thank you very much, and God bless you. I really wish you all the best, and God bless you. No need to touch the feet. Thank you very much. इकट्ठे राजकिशोर, please come. Come fast. If I tell you na to stand here, like after this guy, you will come here to speak. Get it na? So just be ready. Give your introduction.
Good morning, all of you, and good morning, sir. My name is Rajkishore Rai. I am basically Sanskrit student. My subject is Sanskrit background. I have a brother, and I have father and mother and grandmother and grandfather. I am basically from Ghansyampur. I belong from Ghansyampur, and I live Darbhanga. That's why.
Thank you very much, Rajkish. Guys, I was expecting you are delivering better what I expected. Day 1 में मैंने अच्छे बच्चों को I have seen that they do not try to speak in front of public, but you guys are doing. What I personally believe is that today the youth have a lot of potential. आप सभी के पास अनलिमिटेड पोटेंशियल है, इतनी जितनी आप जानते भी नहीं। बट दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण बात यह है प्रणव कि बच्चे गेम में अपना पूरा पोटेंशियल लगा देते हैं। दिस इज व्हाट एग्जैक्टली इज द बैड प्रणव, एंड रियली आई फील वेरी वेरी बैड गाइज। If I ask somebody and take their name, it doesn't mean only he plays. This is my bad habit to point out the students, which this guy knows very well, right? So please do not use your potential in wrong direction. आपके पास जितनी potential है ना बच्चा लोग, आप अगर इसका सही इस्तेमाल सही जगह करेंगे ना, तो you don't know what you can do. You really don't know what you can do. Come fast, please.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, good morning, all of my dear friend. Today I am going to tell about myself. It's my great pleasure. I am over here on the podium to express myself to delivery ideas, to give a chance to be on the podium. Now I get happy, and it is my diamond chance to meet my form sir, and I'm Rahul Kumar Jha, hailing from Madhubani district. I have completed class graduation. I got 80% marks in 12th classes from CBSE board. Yes, sir.
Go ahead, please. I'm prepared next.
CBSE board. My motto is to be an UPSC or IS officer, and my hobby is playing cricket, listening movie, and song drawing. etc.
Thank you. With confidence, come fast, please. Remove the mask and give your introduction.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Divakar Singh, residing at Beta Darbhanga, but originally from Tumol. My father's name is Mr. Shravan Kumar Singh. My mother's name is Mrs. Mala Devi. My father is a compounder in a private hospital. My mother is a good homemaker. I am graduating at LNMU Darbhanga. My hobbies: I like to click natural photos. My goals: I want to be a photographer and good English speaker like Prakash sir.
Thank you. Very nice. This is the oldest student of my career doctor. Let me give his introduction. Lifetime student. Now he is in Darbhanga. Are you ready? Yes, because the subscribers will identify you very easily. right?
Yes.
And you have to sing the song of Justin Bieber also right now. Make it fast. 1 minute only after this introduction. Fast.
Forgot. Good morning, everyone. Myself Santosh Kumar Sahu, and I have completed 12th from Delhi Government School, and now I'm preparing for CLAT. My father is working in Delhi in private company, and my mother is a housewife. And my ultimate finally goal is to be a lawyer. A fine lawyer who can
Cheat.
who can be honest to everybody and want to serve the society. Thank you very much.
Thank you. You have to sing that song. once.
Please, I forgot. Sir. Please, I forgot.
Okay, he's saying that he feels shy first day. Are you new student? No. Anyways, you please come here. Come fast. Put your bag there and come fast. It happens the first day we all have hesitations, but do not worry, please. Now next Iftikhar, you have to come here.
My name
And
is-
Abdullah. Right.
My name is Keshav Kumar Mishra. I am from Darbhanga. I am read in class Upshastri. My father's name is Amarkant Mishra. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Nice, Keshav, and God bless you. Come fast, Iftikhar. And Abdullah, be ready. After him, you will come. After him, you have to come. Once he finishes out, you will come. All right? Yeah. Come and stand here.
Good morning, everyone, and my respected sir. My name is Iftikhar Ahmed, and thank you giving me this opportunity. I introduce myself, and I'm a student of BTech Mechanical Engineer, and I living in Darbhanga, Ladiyasrai, and my hobbies is listening, singing, and learning English. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Give it to Abdullah. He'll give his introduction.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning.
My name is Abdullah Khan, residing at Naka 5, but originally from Sitamarhi. Qualification, graduation, study from Goenka College, Sitamarhi. Hobbies, meditation, song. Next time. It's all my introduction.
Thank you very much. So, Abdullah, why do you want to learn English? Can you please tell the students? Why do you want to learn English?
English is an international language. So do you know English speaking? But you are success. So I want to learn English.
Thank you very much. Very nice. Good confidence. How do you feel now, Abdullah? How do you feel?
Good feeling.
When you came starting, how was your
Starting
feeling?
nervousness.
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 It happens. ये मैं सबसे बोल रहा हूँ, आप सभी viewers से भी, students से भी. It happens. We all have to go through this phase. हम सभी को इस phase से होके जाना होता है. Nervousness, weakness. You getting this ना? Feeling bad. ये बहुत common चीज़ है और 100% लोगों को होती है. अगर कोई कहता है कि मैं डरता नहीं, मुझे nervousness नहीं होता, मुझे weakness feel नहीं होता, it means he or she is lying. Are you getting this? Thank you very much that you spoke honestly. God bless you. Yeah, please go. Sit down.
Good morning, sir, and all of you. My name is Indhari Kumar. I study in Become Part 1.
Put it little up. The voice would be better. Go ahead, please.
My father's name is Sri Valmiki Sada, and mother's name Makunti Devi. My father is a farmer and mother is a homemaker. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Why do you want to learn English, Girdhari? Your name is Girdhari, right?
जी.
Why do you want to not G? Yes. Change your attitude from day for. देखिए, आज मैं आपको एक चीज़ बताता हूँ. ज़्यादातर बच्चे जो आ रहे हैं वो थोड़े लूज हैं. अच्छा, इसमें इनकी कोई गलती नहीं है. फर्स्ट डे इट हैपेंस. आपने जैसे इस बच्चे को देखा, ये लूज है. यही चीज़ मैं दिखाना चाहता हूँ व्यूअर्स को भी, आप लोगों को भी. अब ये धीरे धीरे क्या होगा, ये स्ट्रेट होगा. जैसे जैसे इसके अंदर ताकत आएगी, ताकत ये वाला नहीं बाबू, यहाँ से वैसे वैसे क्या होगा इसके अंदर. तभी तो बापू यानी गांधी जी एक 30-35 kg वजन वाला पूरी दुनिया को हिला दिया. लॉट ऑफ पीपल फॉलो बापू जी, यू नो, पूरी दुनिया से लोग उनको फॉलो करते हैं. व्हाई? बिकॉज ही हैड दिस पावर. आर यू गेटिंग दिस? तो जैसे जैसे इसके अंदर आएगा ना, आप देखेंगे ये स्ट्रेट होगा. ये बिल्कुल एटीट्यूड इसका चेंज होगा, पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड आएगा इसके अंदर. तो इट हैपेंस डे 1. इसके लिए डरने का नहीं, राइट? और आपको भी माइंड नहीं करने का. थैंक यू वेरी मच. यू प्लीज कम हियर. या इट वॉज रियली वेरी नाइस। आ रही है बात समझ में आपको? डे 1 पे होता है, बच्चे ऐसे रहते हैं, ऐसे रहते हैं, ऐसे, ये माइक इधर आता है, समझ में नहीं आता उनको, बट आप लोग बेटर परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं। यू गाइज आर डूइंग वेल। इनफैक्ट मैंने इधर करके रखा, आप लोग इधर करके रखते। थोड़ा सा इसको ऊपर उठाइए, यू गेटिंग दिस ना? थोड़ा सा इसको ऊपर उठाइए, कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोलिए, राइट? एक बार बोलिए जय हिंद। जय भारत बोलना होता है, राइट?
Good morning to all of you. It's Rishi Raj. I am from Balbadpur, Naptol, and my father's name is Mr. Brind Kumar, and my mother's name is Mrs. Ranjita Devi. My father is a shopkeeper, and my mother is a housewife. My goal is to be a doctor, and I am here to learn English. Thank you.
He's a very quite confident guy, yeah. And if you feel sleepy or shy, then we have so many ideas that will not let you sleep. यहाँ सोने का नहीं है बच्चा लोग, right? You please come here. Come fast and give your introduction. It looks like all of you look confident. Very nice.
Hi friends, good morning all of you. I'm going to tell you about my introduction. I'm Rehan. My father's name is MD Mujahid. My mother's name is MD Naushat Begum. I'm going to tell you about my family background. My father is bank manager, ICC bank manager from Nagaland. I have one brother and 2 sisters educated in my family. And my dreams, I want to be an army, and I want to help poor person. And
Say, I want to join Indian Army and serve
Yes.
the nation. ये ज़्यादा
Yes,
better
sir.
है. I
Yes,
want
sir.
to join Indian Army.
I want to join Indian Army. I want to help poor person.
Right.
And English is a very important language, and without English you're not able to do something this time. And English is very important all person. And I want to learn English, but how to speak, I have no idea about doing something, but I want to learn English. Thanks.
Nice. Quite confident, Rehan. Very nice. You have very nice body language, and I really wish that you must join Indian Army. Right? Energetic young people are required there on the border. Thank you very much. God bless you. Yeah, please go ahead.
Good morning, all of you. I am Jitendra Kumar. You from Banajula. My father's name is Badrinath Mandal. My mother's name is Parmila Devi. My father's farmer.
My father is a farmer.
My father's is a farmer.
Not fathers. Father. Up.
My father's is a farmer. My mother's is housewife. Good morning.
कोई बात नहीं, होता है। फादर्स नहीं बोलते बाबू, ये ज्यादातर बच्चे गलती करते हैं। FATHER ये कंप्लीट है। ES का मतलब पिता का। जैसे माई फादर्स नेम इज, मैं बोलूंगा मिस्टर विजय सिंह, यू गेटिंग दिस ना? या फिर द नेम ऑफ माई फादर इज, यू गेटिंग दिस? तो माई फादर्स इज अ बिजनेसमैन इज अ रॉन्ग इंग्लिश, यू गेटिंग दिस ना? या प्लीज गो अहेड मोहम्मद असलम।
Good morning, all of you. My name is GMD Aslam, residing at Nata 5, Mufti Mohalla, but originally hail from West Champaran at Multan Sikta. I have done intermediate along with 6 months NDT level 2 course. I am a study very hardworking and an optimistic person. I like to learn a lot online courses. I watch news, film, and spend time with my family. My short-term goal is English speaking course with a leading coaching, my career doctor like yours. But long-term goal is to gain experience, learn the nitty-gritty of being an English speaking course, and rise in my career. It's all about my introduction.
Thank you. Let me tell you one thing. These 3 guys, ये बच्चा, that Abdullah and that boy, I forget your name, friend. Mohammad Sehzad. These three guys were there in Surat. They are from Champaran. He is from Sitamarhi, and these two guys are from Champaran. They are here only to learn English. अच्छा, ये बच्चे they were doing job से के बाद ये पहले अंग्रेजी अपनी अच्छी करना चाहते हैं, दैन दे वांट टू गो एंड गेट बैक। ये अच्छी बात भी है, और ये मैं इसलिए कह रहा हूँ खासतौर से उन बच्चों को, प्रणब जो अभी पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, उस बच्चों को, विक्रम जो अभी पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, कि अपने आप को पहले प्रिपेयर करके युद्ध के मैदान में जाए, रन के मैदान में, वरना वहाँ जाके बोलोगे अभी मैंने ट्रेनिंग नहीं ली है तो फिर दिक्कत आ जाएगी। और इसमें कोई भी गलत बात नहीं है, लाइक ये बच्चा बिल्कुल सही एज पे है। विच क्लास डू यू स्टडी इन? 10th ना? 10th 8th ना, ठीक है, 10th होता तो बोर्ड में थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम, बट इट्स रियली वेरी नाइस टाइम। 1 साल 6 महीने आप ऑनेस्टली यू शुड फोकस देयर सो दैट इट विल बी इम्प्रूव्ड कंप्लीटली। आर यू गेटिंग दिस ना? और फॉर यू गाइज इट्स रियली वेरी ग्रेट। जब पता चल जाए, जब जागो तभी सवेरा, राइट? ऑल द बेस्ट, नाइस कॉन्फिडेंस, गॉड ब्लेस यू। मोहम्मद शहजाद विल कम नेक्स्ट नाउ, कम फास्ट प्लीज।
Good morning, everyone. First of all, thank you, my dear sir, giving for this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Raja Kumar. I am basically from Darbhanga. Now currently staying at Indira Colony, Alalpatti. I done ISC from CM Science College. Currently, I am in BSc 3rd year. My hobby is playing cricket. I am fond of eating chocolate and watching cricket. My ambition is to be a bank manager, and that's all about to me. Thank you again.
Thank you. Raja, how do you feel, Raja Babu?
I'm better, feel sir.
You feel better. Do you have any hesitation, fear here?
No, I have no agitation, sir.
Thank you. That's really very nice. God bless you. Please go and take your seat.
Good morning, all of you. I am MD Sajjad. Before you, I have done intermediate along with 1 year mechanical course, residing at, belong from West Champaran at Model Town, Sikta. I am a study very hardworking and optimistic person. I like to learn a lot of online courses. In my spare time, I watch news, designing, and spend time with family. It's all about my introduction.
Thank you. Do you have a hesitation?
Very weakness.
Weakness or hesitation also you have, थोड़ा सा घबराहट कि how to speak in only front of camera. देखिए, जो अच्छे सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं और व्यूअर, वो कभी भी गाली गलौज का इस्तेमाल नहीं करते, वरना लोग देख के चले जाते कि जब इन बच्चों को बोलना नहीं आता तो why do you take them in front of camera? If they do not come in front of camera, how will they remove? You know, speaking comes by speaking. I'll teach you grammar also, translations also, everything we will teach you, because today is the first day. So we are giving our introduction. I hope you're getting this now. Thank you. Please go and take your seat. Everything will be all right, and this will be removed. Take it, please.
Very good morning, sir, and all of you. My name is Ankit Kumar Mandal. I am a student. I live in Darbhanga. I am basically from Beheri. My father's name is Krishna Mohan Mandal. He is a farmer. My mother's name is Rekha Devi. She is a housemaker. I have completed 12th from KS College. I am pursuing BSc from Bihar Board Alumni University. My hobbies are playing cricket and listening music and English, reading English newspaper every day. My short-term goal is short-term goal is to speak English. Long-term goal is I'm not decided. That's it. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you very much. Do you have fear? Ghabrahat, dar, hesitation?
Yes, I'm not practice.
It's okay, not an issue.
Thanks.
It's okay. Thank you. God bless you. Yeah, please take it.
Hello guys, good morning. I am Kundan Kumar. I have appeared class 2nd year. My parents' name is Sri Hare Ram, Mr. Hare Ram and Ram Dulari Devi. My brother's name is Mr. Chandan and Gulshan. My sister's name is Chandni, and my brothers two singer. My father is singer. I hobby professor. Living in Darbhanga from hostel. Thanks a lot.
Confident hai. He looks confident. Hello guys, very nice. Thank you very much, Kundan. God bless you. Yeah, please take it.
Hello, good morning, all of you. I am going to about my introduction. First of all, I am from Madhubani district nearby Nepal border. My name is MD Mushtaq Ali. My father name is MD Jafirul Ali. My mother name is Shuhaima Khatun. I am a student of Part 1. I want to be a doctor, but my biology is very weak. But I have to learn, and sir, thank you, sir.
So Mushtaq, what is the name of your place, your area?
Madhwapur, sir.
Madhwapur.
Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. How do you feel here right now?
Better, sir.
You feel better?
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Guys, you know why do I ask always how do you feel? How do you feel? Do you know why do I ask? Because I'm a doctor. My career doctor.
Good morning, friends. My name is Pranav Kumar Singh. My father's name is Vikas Prasad Singh. He's private worker. My mother's name is Veena Devi. He's housewife. I live in Darbhanga, original Ghansyampur Tumol. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Go and take your seat.
Good morning, respected brother and sister, and good morning, sir. My name is Jagdamba Prasad. Father's name Gyani Narayan, and mother's name Reena Devi. Father's job government teacher and present headmaster. Mother's joint secretary village. BSc final complete 2022. MSc Pursing, Zoology honors. NEET preparation 2 exam attend. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Are you alright, Jagdamba Prasad? Do you have fear, dar, bhay, hesitation?
No, sir.
No, good job. Very nice. Thank you very much. God bless you. Please take it.
Hello everyone. My name is, good morning all of you. My name is Dheeraj Kumar. I live in Darbhanga, hostel from Madhubani. I read in BSc second year in Darbhanga CM Science College. My short-term goal is learn English speaking. My long-term goal is be a civil servant. Thank you.
Thank you very much. God bless you, Babu. Are you all right?
Thank you. Yes, sir.
Please go and take your seat. Ma'am, please come. And guys, please put your cell phones on silent mode. मैं भी रखता हूँ उसको silent में.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Jyoti Singh. I live at Darbhanga, but I basically live in Tumol. Tumol Ghansyampur. I complete my graduation, and I'm doing DLED, and 8 members in my family. My hobbies are reading book, listening song, and my strength, I'm optimistic and trustworthy person. And my short-term goal is to be a complete. I improve my communication skills and speak to English. But my long-term goal is to be a successful teacher. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Last student, then we will proceed to do something else. Put the camera off and we will proceed.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Suruchi Singh. I live at Darbhanga. I am a student. I have done my BA in economics, and recently I am doing graduation in music. My father name is Sri Binay Kumar Singh, and my mother name is Prabha Singh. I have an elder sister. Her name is Shruti Singh, and a younger brother. His name is Satyam Kumar Singh. And my hobbies are reading book, listening song, and and I want to become a singer. That's all about me.
All right.
Thank you.
Tell me one thing. Do you feel shy, fear? Do you have hesitation?
So,
Dar, bhay. When you see people and speak in front of them, do you have?
yes, sir. Yes, sir. I feel hesitate little bit.
Right. But it will be removed. Thank you very much, and please go.
Thank you.
Guys, there is a motivational speaker named Robin Sharma. He come from India, but he is the resident of Canada. His father was from India, and he said कि जब मैंने पहली बार पब्लिक स्पीकिंग शुरू किया था, ये आपका पब्लिक स्पीकिंग भी है गाइज. तो ही सेड, और सबसे डिफिकल्ट पब्लिक स्पीकिंग होता है. द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट थिंग इन दिस वर्ल्ड इज पब्लिक स्पीकिंग. ही सेड दैट आई हैड ओनली 5 ऑडियंस एंड दीज वर माई फैमिली मेम्बर्स. आर यू गेटिंग दिस ना? आज से पहले आप में से कितने बच्चों ने माइक लेकर 10-20 लोगों के सामने में बोला था? प्लीज़ रेज योर हैंड्स इफ़ यू हैव गॉट चांस टू स्पीक इन फ्रंट ऑफ 10 to 20 स्टूडेंट्स. नाइस, वेरी नाइस, थैंक यू. वाओ, यू ऑल्सो लिटिल चैम्प, स्कूल, ग्रेट जॉब. तो आप slowly please experience it. English is a language, and the more you practice, it's an activity as well. The more you practice, better you learn. Like Robin Sharma said that I started my public speaking with 5 audience only, but you guys have 30 audience right now. You have 30 students right now. Are you happy? Yes. Are you the best? Yes. Are you the best? Are you the best? Yes, really? Yes, all right, if you keep speaking, that will help you to remove your hesitation. That will make your voice stronger and stronger. आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा, आप धीरे धीरे स्ट्रांग हो जाएंगे. दिस इज वॉट कॉल एक्टिविटी. यू गेटिंग दिस ना? आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा और धीरे धीरे आपके अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस आ जाएगा. और ये कॉन्फिडेंस सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपकी वजह से आएगा. दिस विल कम बिकॉज ऑफ यू गाइज, बिकॉज यू आर पुटिंग योर एफर्ट, यू आर डूइंग हार्ड वर्क अ लॉट. आई एम ओनली अ गाइड. मैं एक गाइड हूँ जो आपको दिशा दिखा रहा हूँ, आपको बता रहा हूँ कि किस रास्ते पे चलना है. अल्टीमेटली यू हैव टू वॉक ऑन दैट, राइट? सो हाउ वॉज द एक्सपीरियंस टुडे? इट वॉज ग्रेट. Do you think so? Would you be able to learn and speak English fluently? Yes, sir. Not only English, would you be able to empower yourself? Yes, sir. Virat is sleeping. Hello? Virat? Okay. Wake him up. एक वर्ड सीखिए. Wake him up का मतलब उसे जगा दो. Wake means जगना जगाना दोनों होता है. Wake me up tomorrow. कल मुझे जगा दीजिएगा. Wake me up, मुझे जगा दीजिए. मैं कैसे बोलूँगा? I said wake him up. उसे क्या करो? No, leave him. It's okay, ignore. These are the kids of that ma'am, and if kids come, तो इससे क्या होता है कि धीरे धीरे क्या होता है, एनवायरनमेंट का यही चमत्कार होता है. अब वो रोज देखेगा ना आपको बोलते हुए, तो वो धीरे धीरे ऑटोमेटिकली बोलने लगेगा. आर यू गेटिंग दिस ना? इसलिए इन्होंने अपने बच्चे को लाया हुआ है साथ में, बिकॉज शी इज अलोन देयर एट हर होम. तो आर यू गेटिंग दिस ना? दिस इज कॉल्ड एनवायरनमेंट का यही फायदा होता है कि आप देखेंगे ना 10 बोल रहा है तो आप धीरे धीरे बोलने लगेंगे. एक बच्चा था एंड ही यूज्ड टू कम देयर इन नोएडा, और वो चेयर पे ऐसे बैठता और 3 महीने तक बैठा रहता. मैंने उसे ABCD सिखाई थी. ABCD भी नहीं आती थी. एक दिन बहुत गुस्सा है, कॉपी नहीं फाड़ना चाहिए, मैंने फाड़ दिया ऐसे ऐसे करके, और बोला आप जाइए, आपको मैं नहीं पढ़ाऊँगा. चूँकि बहुत परेशान कर दिया उस दिन. अगली बार क्या हुआ, फिर 5 दिन के बाद आया. जाने के बाद मुझे आई वॉज फीलिंग वेरी बैड कि मैंने क्यों डांट दिया ऐसे. ही केम बैक आफ्टर 5 days, और फिर वो 3 महीने तक बैठा रहा. मुझे लगा ही कांट लर्न, बट 3 महीने के बाद चूंकि हम लोग एक्टिविटीज़ ज़्यादा करवाते हैं, आपसे एक्ट भी करवाई जाएगी, इसलिए स्पेस इंटेंशनली ओपन रखा हुआ है. यहाँ एक्ट करवाई जाएगी, एक्टिंग, ड्रामा एंड ऑल. उसने एक ड्रामा था सनी देओल का डायलॉग, वो खुद बोला कि आई परफॉर्म ऑन दैट डायलॉग, और उसने बहुत अच्छी इंग्लिश बोली. आज भी उसे लिखना नहीं आता है, यकीन मानिए, लेकिन इंग्लिश तो वो पूरे कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोलता है. कुछ गलत बोलता है वो, 100% करेक्ट तो मैं भी नहीं बोलता, एंड आई डोंट नो अबाउट अदर्स. कुछ वो गलत बोलता है लेकिन बोलता है. लैंग्वेज की यही खूबसूरती है साहब. हिंदी भी हमें से कितने लोग सही बोलते हैं? मैं तो नहीं बोल पाता हिंदी सही. अब आप लोगों की बात मैं नहीं जानता. आई एम नॉट एबल टू स्पीक हिंदी करेक्टली बिकॉज हिंदी इज मोर डिफिकल्ट दैन इंग्लिश. आर यू गेटिंग दिस ना? हिंदी उर्दू इंग्लिश से ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट है. हिंदी उर्दू दोनों भाई बहन है, ये दोनों एक ही से निकले हुए हैं, 1-2 से आसपास से, तो उसमें आपको काफ़ी सिमिलैरिटीज़ दिखाई देंगी. ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. इंग्लिश इज़ मोर ईजी दैन दीज 2 लैंग्वेजेज, और जब हम बात करते हैं ओरिजिनल लैंग्वेज तो डिफिकल्ट है ही. तो वो लड़का बोलने लगा. वो एक कंपनी में छोटा सा लेबर था, 8,000 रुपया दे के वो नौकरी करता था, और जब वो अंग्रेजी सीखा और कॉन्फिडेंस उसके अंदर आया तो आज उसकी सैलरी 25,000 है और वो सुपरवाइज़र बन गया है, वो काम करवाता है। क्योंकि आपको जब आपके अंदर लीडरशिप स्किल आएगी ना गाइस, तो लोग आपको लाइक करेंगे। आर यू गेटिंग दिस? लीडरशिप डजंट मीन पॉलिटिशियन, लीडर में फ़र्क होता है। लीडर का मतलब जो लीड करता है एक ग्रुप को, चाहे वो किसी भी समाज का ग्रुप हो, धर्म का हो, समाज का हो, किसी भी चीज़ का हो, जो लीड करता है, तो ये स्किल जब आपके अंदर आएगी ना तो आपको बहुत 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 बेनिफिट होगा। आई होप यू आर गेटिंग इट। आई टोल्ड यू दैट स्टोरी कि आप लोग शाई फील ना करें, डरे नहीं, घबराए नहीं, आप सीखेंगे, पक्का सीखेंगे, क्योंकि आपका फोकस कहाँ है? सीखने पर है। कहाँ है? All right? Thank you very much for watching My Career Doctor. Stay happy and be the best. Do the same activity there at your home. I'm damn sure you must learn how to speak in English. Thank you very much for